Have you forgotten your password of your Chase online banking? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Chase bank password. This is going to be a short and easy video, and within a few steps, you'll successfully reset and create a new password of Chase. So let's get right into the video. Open up your web browsers and search for chase.com. And you'll land on the official website of Chase. Now from here on the right hand side, you'll see this sign in option. Click on this option and it's going to show you the login box. Now because you don't remember your password, so just click on the option which says forgot username/password. Once you do, it's going to take you to this section where you'll need to type in either your social security number or your tax ID number. But in case you don't have your social security number, you can click on this option which says don't have social security, and then instead you'll get the option of typing in your date of birth. Make sure you enter in the exact date of birth that you used while creating your account. In the next step, you'll need to type in account number, card number, or your application number. This is the same option if you have or don't have your social security number. So once you type in both of this information, you can click on next, and in the next step, a password reset link will be sent to your email address. You just need to open up your email linked with your Chase account, and once you click on it, you'll get a section of creating a new password. That's the process on how to reset your Chase online banking password. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.